Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I am truly Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews on skincare, makeup, beauty stuff, that kind of thing. So today obviously I have some Truly Beauty and I did a little haul just to get the hat. I used my 40% code for being an ambassador. I sold so much over the summer. And when you sell so much, they give you a 40% discount. And so I used my 40% just so I could get these items and this hat. So let's unbox what I got. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do the whole thing. And let's find out what I got from Truly. So this is their 24K Gold Black Soap. This stuff is absolutely amazing. There are so many sugar and salt and blah 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 scrubs that I have, but there is nothing like this stuff. I mean, it just, I put it on my legs. And then, like, I will go to, like, the Soft Serve or the Cocoa Cloud shave creams. And it just makes my skin feel so good. Okay, y'all gotta know that I have a little black beauty on my lap. Okay, so that's my kitty. Like, and she hasn't been feeling good. And I just have to show you guys. Okay. So, on to the next, the 24K. Okay, so next I have, actually, the Soft Serve, which is a, sorry, I think I messed my camera up. Okay, so it is a whipped shave butter, and I still, like I said, it's called Soft Serve, and the smell is just like, I don't know, like, I don't know what, is it like strawberry? Is it dragon fruit? The ingredients are hydraulic acid, peptides, vanilla, strawberry, and vitamin F boost. So you definitely get the vanilla and the strawberry. I have a lot of strawberry products, and this smells like strawberry. I just don't want to be like, it smells like strawberry, and you get it and like be like, it doesn't smell like strawberry. It's a different type of strawberry. I don't know how to describe it, but look at that. Look at that swirl. The swirl tells you everything that you need to know. It smells exactly like it looks, and it works wonders. I mean, if you have any kind of trouble shaving, then this is the thing for you. I mean, it just is. Okay, so next I went with, I was like, I have not ordered the unicorn fruit line in quite a while, so that's what I'm going to do. And I ordered the unicorn fruit body butter, which if you get a whole line, oh my gosh, the smell. Nobody does. There's so many companies now that are doing unicorn fruit. Nobody does it like Truly. I mean, that's just bottom line. So look at the swirl. And the smell is just unlike anything. You stupid Santa. I'm telling you, you better bring me a tripod for Christmas. Okay. So we've got that, and then you have the deodorant, and I mean the deodorant, it smells exactly like the body butter does, and it works very well. It's a very good deodorant. And last but not least, which I'm a little let down with, is the unicorn fruit body polish. And I emailed them and was like, it looks sick. Like, it doesn't look right. So if you put the two side by side, and you probably don't even see what I see. It just did not look good. Like, it smells good. It smells good, but it didn't look good. Like, I don't know. It just, I mean, you look at that, and then you look at that, and it's just not the same. So I emailed them, and sure enough, they are getting me a new polish coming. I don't like to do that. I don't like to have to get a hold of customer service and be like, blah, blah. But, like, if I want to pay a certain amount for something, I want it to be perfect. So that's just what that is. So, I mean, within, you know, minutes, I mean, they literally get back to you within minutes. So their customer service already has got me a new one coming in less than 24 hours. So, and that's exactly what I told them. I sent them pictures and was like, this looks sick. It just doesn't look right. And what they said was, we're sorry, this is not the experience that we want you to have. And they explained to me why it probably didn't look right, you know, but they still wanted me to be happy. And I'm sorry if you hear my dog barking, but he's barking at something. But they want you to have a good experience. So yay on them for being so quick, number one, especially during the holiday season. And number two, for not questioning me and being like, well, that's what it's supposed to look like. Because no, it's not. I've ordered from Truly many times, and the unicorn fruit has never looked like that. I've had different things look like different things, but the unicorn fruit has always kind of looked exactly the same. It looks like a rainbow in a bottle, and this wasn't it. So I reached out to them, and they're sending me a new one. So thankfully, their customer service is amazing. And I got the hat. So I got me a nice little pink Santa hat for Christmas. I should have done all my videos in the pink Santa hat, but oh well. So again, let's say hi to my kitty, because Kitty hasn't been feeling very well. And that's kind of what has taken away from me this month. But she's getting better, and we got her some antibiotics, and y'all just say a little prayer for her name is Fury. Bones Jones Fury is her name. So you guys say a little prayer for Bones Jones Fury. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. That is my video, and I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next. And if I don't see you, which I should, but if I don't, then Merry Christmas. I will definitely see you before the new year. And I do, for the new year, promise to bring this channel back better than ever. Like, I kind of fell off the last couple of months, but we're going to come back stronger, and yeah. Love y'all.